Hello everyone, my name is Jan, and I'm excited to be here today to introduce you to PinkLion, the ultimate AI-based co-pilot for your investments. As investors, we know how challenging it can be to navigate the market and make informed decisions. That's why we created PinkLion, an AI-based assistant that helps you stay on top of the market. PinkLion's artificial intelligence is designed to collect, harmonize, and aggregate scattered market data from various sources, such as financial news, stock prices, and economic indicators. It then performs financial reasoning on the collected information to provide you with the most relevant insights. You no longer have to spend countless hours sifting through market data and trying to make sense of it all. The heavy lifting is done by the co-pilot for you, so that you have actionable information. A key feature of PinkLion is its ability to simulate investment scenarios and validate investment hypotheses. This powerful tool allows you to test different strategies in a risk-free environment, giving you the confidence to make informed decisions. You can configure different scenarios and test how they would perform in real-world market conditions. The simulation is based on historical market data and takes into account multiple factors such as market trends, economic indicators, as well as future outlooks derived from collected insights, including market sentiments, analysts, and financial institutes' assumptions. This means that you can experiment with different investment strategies and see how they would have performed in the past, and giving you an idea of how they might perform in the future. You can also test the impact of different factors, such as a mix of different asset classes, a certain geographical focus, or sustainability factors. Going one step further, it is possible to compare tested scenarios with your own portfolio. It's an actionable way to identifying potential areas of weakness and making informed optimization decisions. The side-by-side comparison is available on an aggregated portfolio and single asset level. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, PinkLion sheds light on potential investment strategies, helps you to eliminate non-rewarding risks, and shows potential returns according to your risk appetite. Give it a try. We are happy to hear from you. Cheers, Jan.